Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to give my honest review on Jordan McKay's Buy 9 to 5 program, right? If you're thinking about joining his program, I'll give you my insights, what I have actually learned from his program, and also you also want to stick to the end, because at the end I'll be giving you a bonus. So stay put, and I'll give you my honest opinion. So back in when I first was looking into a different business model, I was looking of different ways I can actually make money online, and that's when I found Jordan McKay, right? His program was I was I was doing a lot of research on like how I can actually make money online, and I found Jordan McKay. I got his program straight away. It wasn't, I don't know how much it costs now, but back that time it was like really cheap course, and pretty much it covers like the fundamentals of how you actually build a YouTube channel, automate the channel, and the team is pretty much doing everything for you. So I'd say I highly recommend you to get his program. The reason I'm saying that is because there's so many people inside his program which has benefited, and they've also gone ahead and started their own things, right? So there's, if you've seen any big gurus out there talking about YouTube automation, I know for a fact they have gone through Jordan McKay's program, and because of the knowledge, because of so in-depth training you're going to get from his program, it's really great. Like for example, this is one of my mentor, Ashwani, right? Very good, cool guy. I know personally, I know Freud, and there's a lot of other big gurus who have actually done, like Paul Hilsey. He's also taken his program. So the amount of knowledge plus Medpa, right? So they've all taken his program, guys. So it's like really good amount of knowledge he shares with you. It's like genuine guy, you know. So in his group there's like, I believe there's 5,000 members inside his community, massive community that he built over time. And the great thing is, like, his program is not like 10-20,000 dollar program, right? It's like really cheap, really affordable, and that's the main reason that he made it so cheap, because he genuinely he really wants to help people, and for them to start doing the business for very cheap money. So if you're thinking about it, I highly recommend get his program. You won't get disappointed, and like I said, I'll give you a bonus. If you get his program, like, I'm not getting anything out of this, right? If you get his program, I'll also give you already monetized channel, so you can take that, and whatever you learn from his program, as from my side, I'll give you a monetized channel, so you can go out there and just start earning income for yourself and for your family, right? So highly recommend his program. Very in-depth knowledge that you're going to be learning from that. And also, if you like to personally connect with me, I've had multiple channels. I build it to like 5, 6, 10,000 dollars a month. And if you want to pick my brain, we can jump on a call. That way I can share all the knowledge I have, and that way you can get started with pretty much his program. So again, everyone, thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll also leave a link for where you can connect with me in the video, in the comment section, and also in the comments. You can reach out to me there, and then we can start talking there. So again, thank you all.